I sell a simple $297 per month AI tool to local businesses, and most of them say yes without me even having to lift a finger or do any high pressure sales calls. Why? Because it helps them solve a real problem. It helps them generate more leads, book more appointments, and get more clients on complete autopilot, leveraging the power of AI. And this is the exact AI system that I personally use to make a really nice daily income online, working from the comfort of my own home. And it's the same exact AI system that I've shown hundreds of others who've been able to duplicate the exact model that I personally use for myself and being able to start their own online business without having to have any prior marketing experience, without having to have any crazy tech skills, and without investing some large upfront investment just to get started. And just so you know, I have no course to go through and sell you because that's not how I make my money. I'm not like all these other online YouTube gurus who go through and talk about these different business models and then make all their money by selling you a course on how to do the business model that they talked about. I give you everything away 100% for free because I make my money by doing exactly what I'm showing you how to do. So if you want my full step-by-step course, all the templates that I use, all the scripts that I use, plus a live bootcamp, all 100% for free, all I ask in return is just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and consider sharing this video with a friend who might also find this valuable, because that really helps the YouTube algorithm. And then I'll be able to hook you up with a private link to unlock my full step-by-step course, all my templates, scripts, and that live bootcamp, all 100% for free. No hidden paywalls, no upsells, nothing like that. So now that you've gone through and done those things, let's jump onto my computer so I can show you guys exactly how this business model works, how to get your first clients, and how to make monthly recurring income working from the comfort of your own home. So this business that we're going to be cloning is called Bird Eye. And what Bird Eye does is they help small local business owners, think about your chiropractor, dentist, real estate agent, massage therapist, electrician, plumber, whatever type of small business, with their marketing so they can get found online and get more customers. But instead of doing like your typical running Facebook ads or doing SEO for clients, they're leveraging simple software and systems to fulfill these services for these clients to help them get more customers, which by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you'll be able to do the exact same thing with no money to get started. And just to quickly show you how massive an opportunity this is, if we go into Google and type in Bird Eye valuation, they are valued at over $100 million, as high as $500 million. And that is over 2 years ago. And they have been growing like crazy ever since because all of these small local business owners across the world need simple marketing services to help them get found online and get more customers. So this is a massive opportunity, a massive untapped opportunity that by the end of this video, you'll see how you can literally duplicate this entire business model. So if we come back over here to the Bird Eye website, I just want to show you exactly what they offer so you know what you'll be able to offer to these small businesses as well. So if we come over here to products and we go see all Bird Eye products, they throw AI on the back of everything because AI is super hot right now, which honestly you'll be able to do as well because I'm going to show you guys here in a minute a simple AI marketing automation software that you'll be able to white label, meaning you can put your own logo, your own domain, and connect your own payment processor and collect 100% of the payments to be able to sell to these small local business owners, just like a Bird Eye will be able to do. So they offer reviews. They offer social posting, basically scheduling out posts to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all these different platforms, listings AI, surveys, insights, competitors, referrals, messaging, chatbots. They have mass texting, payments, appointments, all these different simple services. Okay, and I know you might be thinking, well, Jason, I'm not a coder. I don't know how to go through and set this all up. How can I go through and do this? And as I mentioned, I'll show you here in just a minute how we'll literally be able to clone all this using pre-built, pre-coded software that we can just white label, put our own domain, our own logo, connect our own payment processor, and clone this entire business in a matter of minutes. Now, let's check out, before we go in and I show you exactly how to do this, what they are charging for these simple services. So if we come over here and click on their pricing, we can see for their starter plan, it's at $299 a month for reviews, listings, and messaging. Okay, or $3.99 a month for reviews, listings, and messaging, and a web chat widget, or $4.49 for all the above plus social automation. All right. Now, the cool thing that I've done for you to make this even easier to go through and get started is I got a professionally designed website completely built out for you that all you'll have to do is put on your own logo and connect it to your own domain, which is super simple to do. And I show you exactly how to do that inside my free course. So just smash the like button, share this video with a friend, comment below once you've done that, and I'll get you the private link to get access to that free course, plus this website template and everything. And then this has a brief rundown of all the different services that you'll be able to offer now because you've white labeled this software. And then if we check out the pricing over here, you can literally match the pricing with the exact price point that Bird Eye has to offer. So we've got $249 a month over here. I believe they've got $299 a month. And then we've got $399 and $499. Okay, so we've got over here $399 and $449. And this is as simple as going into the website builder and editing this to be $299 a month. Or if you want a little bit of an edge, you can charge that $249 a month. Then you can see down here, we've got reviews, we've got messaging, we've got the web chat widget. We have all the things that we can go through and compete directly with this Bird Eye software company. So this website is 100% set up, ready to go and done for you. And then, like I said, all we're doing is we're taking a simple AI automation software just like this, and we are white labeling it. It's already pre-built, pre-coded. You don't have to have any tech skills or any prior coding experience or anything like that. And white labeling means basically we're just putting our own logo, connecting our own domain, so it is our own brand that we can grow up and scale. And over here, you can see we've got payments just like Bird Eye does. I've got conversations. We've got the reputation management down here. If you click on reputation, another big thing that they have is listings, which if we scroll down here, you can activate the listings right here. So we have automation, sites, memberships, we have marketing, all these different things that you can literally clone the entire Bird Eye platform in a matter of minutes. And in order to clone it, all we have to do is come over here and we go to this what's called a SaaS configurator. So SaaS stands for software as a service, where we're selling software, systems, and tools as a service, as opposed to you selling your time as a service. Like for example, if you're gonna go through and help small business owners get more clients, but doing it with Facebook ads, you have to spend hours every single month setting up the Facebook ad, analyzing how the Facebook ad is performing, then creating new content to make new Facebook ads every single month, where you can maybe charge $1,500, $2,000 per month to do that, but now you are selling your time as a service, where we want to sell software as a service, because then we can leverage our time. We can sell something for $300, $400, $500 per month per client, but the software is doing all the heavy lifting. And the services that we're offering are a simple one-time 5 to 10 minute setup, and then that is it. The software will do all of the rest for us. And you can see right over here, this is where we would go through and set up our pricing. So we'd come over here, we'd edit the details, we can set whatever price point we want. We can give it a name. I'll just move my head here really quick so you guys can see this. We can say pricing. What do we want to charge for the pricing? So maybe we want to say $299 a month. We just click save. And then we go over here to the features. We can select what features we want to offer. So the social media posting, we just check that on. It's as simple as that. If we want to go and add websites to be able to offer, we just do that. Reporting, blogs, whatever we want to offer, we just check it on or check it off. And then go over here and click on Save Changes. And that's it. That's all you need to do. And you've literally gone through and cloned the entire Bird Eye business of a multiple $100 million business. Now, if you're as excited about this business model as I am, then go ahead, smash the like button, share this video with a friend that you'd want to do this business with, or who might find this business cool or valuable, and then drop a comment down below once you've done that. And I'll share with you the private link to get my free step-by-step course, the free website templates, plus my sales scripts to know how to go through and approach small business owners, what to say, price points to offer, everything 100% for free. Plus, the software that I just showed you, I'll give you an extended 30-day free trial to that software. Normally, if you go to their main homepage, it's just a 14-day free trial. I have a 30-day extended free trial to help you get set up. And then on top of that, tomorrow morning, we have a free live boot camp. And in about 45 minutes, we'll help you get the entire business set up for you. And then after that, you can even jump on a free one-on-one kickoff call to make sure that everything is set up the right way. And no, we don't have any hidden paywalls or upsells or high-ticket coaching programs or anything like that. You'll be able to get access to everything 100% free. And the way that we make our money is that when you get started with the software, it's going to cost you nothing more, but the company is going to give us a little bit of a kickback for referring you to the software. So it's going to incentivize us to help you with courses, templates, blueprints, scripts, everything that you'll need to help you get started and be successful with your business. So anyway, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, if you guys want to get all free access to all of our bonuses, just smash the like button, share this video with a friend that you'd want to go through and do this business with, and then drop a comment down below once you've done that. And I'll share with you the private link to unlock everything 100% for free. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. A quick shout out to our sponsor, LaunchMy.agency. We'll show you how to start a wildly profitable marketing agency for free, plus we'll show you the only software that we use and give you an extended 30-day free trial. So go to launchmy.agency right now to learn more and start your free trial. A quick shout out to our sponsor, AIMessageBots.com. You can now use AI bot automation to automatically book more appointments for your business. So go to AIMessageBots.com right now to learn more and start your free trial.